Today in this video, we'll discuss 10 things not to do with chocolate vine fruit. Number 1. Don't consume it if you're pregnant or nursing. Chocolate vine fruit contains compounds that haven't been thoroughly studied for their effects on pregnancy or breastfeeding. Consuming it could pose risk to both the mother and the baby. It's safer to avoid it during these sensitive times to prevent any potential harm. Number 2. Don't use it in alcoholic beverages without caution. Mixing chocolate vine fruit with alcohol can lead to unexpected reactions or intensify the effects of alcohol. This combination might result in dizziness, nausea, or other adverse effects. Always be cautious and consume such mixtures in moderation. Number 3. Don't assume it's safe for everyone. While many people can enjoy chocolate vine fruit without issues, some might experience digestive discomfort or intolerances. It's essential to be aware of any personal sensitivities or allergies before consuming it. Number 4. Don't use it as a beauty product without research. Not all natural products are suitable for skin or hair applications. Chocolate vine fruit could cause skin irritation, allergic reactions, or other adverse effects. Before using it in beauty routines, conduct thorough research or consult with a dermatologist. Number 5. Don't ignore potential allergic reactions. If you develop symptoms like itching, swelling, hives, or difficulty breathing after consuming chocolate vine fruit, it could indicate an allergic reaction. Seek immediate medical attention and avoid further consumption until you know the cause. Number 6. Don't mix it with medications without consulting a doctor. Chocolate vine fruit may interact with certain medications, affecting their efficacy or causing adverse reactions. Always consult with a healthcare professional before combining it with any medications. Number 7. Don't give it to people with compromised immune systems. Individuals with weakened immune systems are more susceptible to foodborne illnesses or infections. Introducing unfamiliar foods like chocolate vine fruit could pose additional risk to their health. Number 8. Don't pick it from polluted areas. Chocolate vine fruit can absorb pollutants from the soil, leading to contamination. Picking it from polluted areas could expose you to harmful substances or chemicals. Always choose clean, uncontaminated sources for harvesting. Number 9. Don't use it in home remedies without expert advice. While chocolate vine fruit has some traditional uses in home remedies, its effectiveness and safety can vary. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or herbalist before using it in any homemade treatments. Number 10. Don't give it to children without supervision. Children may not recognize potential risks or know how to handle food safely. Always supervise them when they're handling or consuming chocolate vine fruit to prevent choking hazards or allergic reactions. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like it, please like and subscribe for more videos like these. Watch this next video to learn about 7 things not to do with acai fruit. Thanks for watching.